What's up, guys? Yes, the new Fortnite update is here, and the best weapon in the entire game, the YEET pistol, is finally back. In this video, you get to see Laserbeam and I's live reaction to the update, and I'ma just say it right now, I haven't had this much fun playing Fortnite for a long time. So welcome back, YEET pistol. Hope you guys enjoy. Remember, if you want to support your boy, press that thick subscribe button, and of course, use code FRESH in the item shop.
Son, I taught you the way.
You've taught me the ways of the YEET, and it's finally back, Mr. Beam.
And it's returned to us. They've added it back in the game. I'm so excited.
I would say the YEET pistol is actually probably my favorite weapon in the game.
I'd say it's my favorite weapon.
I would say it's my favorite weapon. YEET is back, everyone. Let's go.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Let's find these YEET pistols, Lennon. Let's find them. I reckon we go straight to lazy. Just whatever's the biggest loot drop first. Let's just go.
Yay.
Oh god. There's a help!
Alright, I don't have a YEET pistol yet. I'm hunting.
Help!
I'm hunting. All I care about is
dude,
finding
I'm in a pickle, dude.
Yeah, I don't really care, mate. I'm looking for a pistol.
Oh my gosh, this guy won't leave me alone. No, I was holding more than one shotgun, so it. Oh my! I had the shotgun delay.
I'll find a pistol and come save you, Freshy boy.
Oh, I had the shotgun delay. I had him. I got damn done. Oh, mate.
I'm popping off.
Wait, every recording you've been doing with me lately, you've been clutching up, Lennon. You got to keep it up.
I'm coming, Freshy boy.
Clutch up again.
Use the power of the YEET to bring back my son.
Yes. We must YEET together.
YEET.
Lennon has once again clutched up.
YEET. Clutching up.
Come on. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go.
I actually just got you back. That's pretty funny.
We will find this YEET pistol. Do not give up.
Holy sh**. I just ruined that team. God damn.
Nicely done.
That's mine. That's mine. I get it first.
Okay, you can have it because you killed it.
I get it first.
Lennon, hurry up and YEET that guy, please. You have the YEET pistol. YEET on them.
Oh my god!
Lennon's back and he's crashed.
Killed him.
Lennon's skill is back. Get him, Lennon.
Oh, it doesn't shoot builds.
Lennon, okay. I have no mats and I'm about to die.
I'm on 22 HP.
I just have no mats. No, we have the YEET.
Don't worry, the YEET will save us, mate.
It's the same skin that killed me before. Lennon, YEET them in the face.
Oh, it didn't. Okay, I'm gonna die.
No. Oh no, Lennon, you have the YEET. You can't die. No. You tried so hard, Lennon.
I tried.
You tried to, look.
I did YEET up and kill someone.
The YEET pistol's back and Lennon is cracked once again.
That was our first game with the YEET pistol.
Well, Lennon was, yeah, Lennon, you're cracked again. You're cracked. Oh, I've got a perfect drop and I'm gonna get a YEET pistol from this chest, watch.
Yeah, I think I'm actually just gonna get one out of this first chest.
Watch.
We both went for the same chest.
Oh, I actually got one!
You got one?
I actually got it!
Scam.
Headshot! Lennon!
Oh my god, he's
Lennon,
one hit.
I have 2 YEET pistols. No!
Oh, quick, kill this guy. He's
Where
one
is
hit.
he? Oh, he's on...
Well, I wonder, maybe he's where my body is.
Okay, what? We don't damn stop. Where is he?
Time to do some yeeting.
Inside here. Oh! Headshot! Got him!
Good yeet,
man
my
just got
son.
yeeted.
Good yeeting, my son there. That was great.
Here, have some bandages. Stop running. Okay, well. Alright, it's just a new blue jade. Ugh.
Oh,
Lennon, no!
Well, I don't have any mats or health. Like, why are we running at people?
I cracked him.
This is so dumb.
Okay, no, it's okay, Lennon. Oh, no. Oh! Look, if I had more meds, I could go straight for it. Come on, are you kidding me? Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm still alive. Okay.
Mate, you're having a fun day out there.
There's plenty of YEET pistols here for us.
No,
I don't have any builds. No! No!
It's just so tough when you land there and you don't have weapons. And
mate, we had YEETs off the bat.
Well, they're pretty common by the look of it, so I'm not too worried. We'll get it next game.
I was doing so well. I was clutching up. There's just too much people. I have no mats.
PMAC avenged it, though. Don't worry about it. Now for the game where we're actually good with it. I can't wait to yeet around the map, dude. I can't wait. Yeet is funny again, chat. On the hunt for a pistol, please.
Okay, there is...
All right, I got a legendary Dragonfire shotgun, but I can't get the pistol.
Oh! The yeet pistol!
Yeah, you got one?
I have one.
You got one, Freshy boy?
I have a yeet pistol. That's not good. Oh my gosh, dude, the headshot on the yeet pistol is still overpowered.
All right, I'm still looking for a pistol.
Oh! I love this weapon. I love this weapon
I'm still
so much.
looking for one. Fresh is talking about how good it is.
I'm trying to... as soon as I find one for you as well, I'll give it to you.
I'm still looking for shields as well.
All right, if you want to run away, just yeet above.
I have found absolutely nothing that I'm looking for right now.
Yeet pistol, no yeet pistol. Dude, this thing is so insane. Oh my god, I love this weapon so much. It's insane.
All right, well, this is the game where we're finally good with yeet pistols, and I can't find one.
Mr. Beam, I've got you a gray.
Here we go. Take a look at
gray
that.
Yeet pistol.
This is the game where we're finally good with it, mate. All right, come out here.
Come on, mate. Let's go.
Yeet. Oh my god, it's good to be back,
This is our game.
mate.
Look, we may have found it in other games, but this is the one.
It's good to be back. I can't... Yeet is funny again. It's 2021. It's been 2 years since Yeet was funny. But look at us now, mate.
Look, Yeet never left, mate. Come on.
Oh,
We're
how good is
people
this?
down,
dude.
Oh my gosh. I miss this so much.
This is beautiful.
I miss it so damn much.
Just
Holy crap.
flying across the map. This is lovely.
I'm running into him on the truck. Oh! Oh, well.
Oh, well, I wasted a
I'm sorry.
You are so lame.
Well, I was expecting her to jump out of the way of a truck. You know what I mean? Like...
Oh,
usually
God,
people...
I set myself...
And I one-tapped him. I love this gun.
Well, I missed and I set myself across the map. But I'm glad you're having fun.
Dude, I'm having lots of fun. I'm just one-tapping everyone.
I don't have a single damn kill with it yet, and you're out here bloody lighting up the entire
map.
This
is amazing. All right. There's a bounty on us, Lannon. Frag-genic. Be careful of this guy, all right? Lannon, this is going to be your yeet. All right, I'm leaving it to you.
All right, I'm going in the sand. This is my one. I'm going to finally get my first
This is your
kill.
first yeet a limb of the game.
I'm going to absolutely bop someone on the head. Here we go, here we go.
Lannon.
Player over here, mate.
Oh, yep.
I'm going to bop him with the yeet, dude.
Get him, Lannon. Oh, he's popping off.
Hold on. Ready.
Trick shot him.
Oh, how is he not dead yet? Come on, mate. You look at me, making me look bad. There we go.
Oh, nicely done. That was a real gamer right there, guys. That is top-tier gameplay right there.
Yeet.
I think it's your time to...
No.
To get some revenge, mate.
I'm just leaving them immediately.
You have the yeet pistols. You can do it, Lannon, I believe.
No, I can't. No one can.
Get them, Lannon. Get them.
They're just annoying, dude. Oh, right here.
Oh, okay. I cracked him. Oh! I've been naded. I've been naded.
What the
I've been naded. Wait, you're dead?
Yeah, let's go fight IO guards. Fresh's great idea.
Oh, yeah, that's my fault.
Fresh's great idea.
If you fought the IO guards, you wouldn't be fighting that guy right now. No, leave him alone.
I love Fortnite. I'm on...
Oh, okay. What? There's another duo here.
I love Fortnite, bro.
Madam, we shouldn't have come near the IO guards. Oh, a friend.
Didn't feel like a friend when he was shooting me.
Wait, they killed you, but they're friends with me? Okay, well, I'm sorry, lad. I did not ask them to do that. I can guarantee you that.
Yeah, I mean, that's fair.
I don't know.
I'm just kind of sad right now.
I feel like, oh, well, would ya? Ah, another game. If you beat me in a limbs this game, I'll get yeet tattooed on my body.
Oh, I'm not going to do that anyway.
But if I beat you, you get another yeet tattoo.
Yeah, that makes sense.
That's a pretty good bet.
Let's do that, Fresh. Bro, I forget how, I always feel tired on these streams.
Lannon, if you come to me, I'll give you a quick yeet pistol.
All right, I got a yeet pistol.
Okay.
Let's have fun.
They're sweating, Lannon.
Oh, my God. Oh, wait, what?
Lannon, I gave you the yeet pistol.
Oh, yeah. A singular yeet pistol against the duo. That's going to do a lot. Why are you dead? Oh, what do you mean?
Chill.
What do you mean? Anything's gonna happen.
Chill.
You're the chosen Yeet prodigy. You can do it, my son. Come on, mate. Hit him with it.
Oh! Oh my god. I nearly died to full damage.
Hit him with it, son.
Yeet! And would you look at that cheeky headshot? All right, rebooting laser beam. Once again.
All right, this is cool.
I did what you asked, Landon. I gave him a good old yeet. Right in the head.
I'm proud of you, son. I'm proud of you.
Look, and there's two sitting here right for you.
No, you've done great, son. I'm very proud.
Thank you.
Are you happy the pistol's back, mate?
Yes, I am
remember
very
that
happy.
time we got 5 of them?
Yes, I do remember that time. Stop being sad. The
well,
yeet
because
pistol
I come
is
back and there's instantly a duo on my head.
The yeet pistol is back. Be happy, you know.
No, I'm not happy because oh my god, dude. Like, just let me relax for a second.
There's more people here.
Just let me relax.
Use your yeet pistols. Help.
Oh, I'm dead.
No, you're not. Don't you? How are you dead already?
Because I don't have anything.
I gave you everything. Laser beam has lost the touch of the yeet.
Every time I come back, there's a
I hit my own wall.
And they're shooting me instead of you.
Chill.
I'm so sad. Sorry for swearing to the children.
Oh, I'm sweating. Yeet.
Oh, I love Fortnite. It's all right, son. You just go win this game.
I need to get your card. No, I need you to be with me for
You've
the yeet.
got 9 seconds if you do that, mate.
Oh, God. Oh. Dude, Landon, I'm sorry, but I'm having so much damn fun. God damn. Let's go.
Yeah,
the yeet pistol.
Yeet pistol back. This game's just been laser beam is dead and sad the whole time. Come on, son. You get it, mate.
Get off that high ground.
You've only got 500 materials.
Oh.
Wow. That guy got ruined.
He did indeed. Give me your damn loot. Boy.
You missed. You're off target by about 4 kilometers there, mate.
Oh.
You missed it by roughly the distance. Oh, there he goes.
You copped the yeet in the foot, mate.
Yeet.
Wow, Landon, that was such a fun game.
I had so much fun. I love
pistol
yeets.
is back, mate. I popped
love
off, dude. I
yeeting.
popped off. The best weapon in the game is back.
Shout out to 20. I mean, it's a great weapon, but only
it's the best.
You know, the only way you can have fun with it in the modern day Fortnite is if you literally have absolutely no vitamin B in your body.
Whoa, chill,
you
man.
haven't seen the sun in 45 years.
I take my vitamins. All right, I take my vitamins. I got vitamin D.
The only way you can have fun with the yeet pistol is if the only way you get vitamin D is through tablets.
All right, you know what? GG's. I'm taking that dub. That was amazing. I popped up.